Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satyo and hello fellow sapiens, you are listening to Motorcycle Akshay from this side of the video. Myself and my maternal cousins were planning to travel on my new Thar Roxx and then we decided to drive towards Chikkamagaluru. We left early, had some breakfast on the way and then had fun driving. As you might have seen on the thumbnail already, this is the first trip on my new Thar Roxx. Our plan is to visit Mahindra, which is the highest peak in Karnataka, but you will see what happens as this video unfolds.
So guys, we are headed towards Mahindra. So this is our first spot in Chikkamagaluru, and as you can see ahead, there is heavy traffic and we can see dark red lines on the maps here. So it's fully crowded, I believe. Let's go and see how it is out there.
I have to admit that the drive was beautiful once we reached Chikkamagaluru.
So guys, we paid an entry fee of 50 rupees to go to Mahindra, and you can see the views. They are so beautiful. Sir, Mahindra peak is side na? Mahindra peak. Hogboda hingo?
Police deviated us towards an alternate route, stating that the regular route had heavy traffic.
Guys, we are ascending the Mahindra road and you can see the fog and it's slightly drizzling. So it's a beautiful drive experience here.
This video is going to be a bit raw, where you can find us talking amongst ourselves in Havi Kannada or Havyaka Kannada, which is our mother tongue. By now we knew that we were not going towards Mahindra and decided to go wherever this route takes us. The roads got more beautiful as we ascended, with lush greenery and fog all around. There might be a deviation which takes us towards Mahindra from this route, but we had definitely missed it.
Guys, look at the off-roading ahead. This is fun, off-roading in the fog. Ilsla.
G point ಇದೆಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ
Z point ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
ಸರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಇದು Z point
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಾಬಾ
ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ನಿಂಗ ಹೇಳಿ
ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ
ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಜೀಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ 4x4 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಜಾ
ಬಾಬಾ
ಹಾ ಜೀಪೋನೇ
ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ 4x4 ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸಸಾರವಾಗೋದು
ನೋಡು ಇದು 4x4 ಇಂದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಹೊಡ್ತಾ 4 ಹೈ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂತ It's easy, bro.
We are now making our way to Thar Falls. This falls didn't excite us much as the water falls from a very short height and it was heavily crowded. And yes, we did get drenched in heavy rain while making our way back.
So guys, we have come to Thar Falls, but we cannot find anything here because it's fully foggy. Thar Falls. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮ ಹತ್ತು
ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಿಸಿ
ಮಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಸುಮಾರು ಕಲ್ಲು.
ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದ್ದ ಜನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆತನ್ರಪ್ಪ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ರ. ಎಂತ ಕರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರ ಹೋಗವ. Guys, this point is Z point, but we are not going there unfortunately because anyways we'll not be able to experience anything other than fog.
ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
The boys are joking that this is Kormangla, but guys, this is still Chikkamagaluru. As you can see, we are doing some water wading. ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋಡ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಿಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದು.
We then decided to directly go to our resort from here and rest for the day. there is a hanging bridge here, two bridges actually. One is a wooden bridge that I showed you earlier, and this is a hanging bridge which is real fun. We visited another lesser known beautiful spot on our way back to Bangalore, which you will see in the next part of this video. Request to like, share, subscribe and pour down your emotions in the comment section below as usual. Thank you.